Good afternoon, respected sir and my dear friends. According to our today's lecture topic, that is the India's foreign trade. Now, starting with the introduction to the topic, that India's foreign trade is being administered by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and also India's foreign trade contributes a greater part in the India's GDP. Now, coming towards the history of the India's foreign trade before the independence, that India's foreign trade before the Indian independence was majorly depends upon the needs of the Britishers, as India is the colony for the Britishers, so they used to export the different raw materials from India, and also there is the import of the materials from the Britain. That resulted into the degradation in the industrialization in India, and as well as there is the hindrance of the promotion of the Indian handcraft and as well as the cottage industries. And also, after the independence, the India's relation with the great power of the western part, that is the USA, was not that much good. But on the same time, the relation between the India and the USSR was good. USSR was good. So that's why there was not much that problem with the India for the trade between the countries. But after the 2008, the relation between USA and India has increased subsequently, as before the 2013 and 14, the UAE was the greatest India's trade partner. But after the 2013-14 to the 2017-18, the China was the greatest partner of the India in the trade. But there was a problem, that the main trade between the India and the China is that there is very large import in India but very less export to the China. So that's why that was not a balance. But in the year 2018 to 19 and 19 to 20, in the two consecutive years, the USA was the largest trade partner with the India, and on another hand, the trade between the India and the China has decreased, as the trade between the 18 and 19 and 19 and 20 with the USA has increased from 87.65 billion to the 88.95 billion, and on another hand there is degradation in the trade with the China, as it has been degraded from the 81.87 billion to the 80.65 billion. So now coming to the conclusion to the topic is that the Indian government should promote the Make in India program and the different policies, so that they can take up their own technology in the different field that will also influence the trade with the other countries. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. Today's topic of lecturate is India's foreign trade. Trade is a very important part for India, and foreign trade refers to import which is done in India and export which is done from India to other countries. Import and export plays a very important part, as trade accounts for approx 47% of India's GDP, hence showing its importance in boosting our country's economy. After independence between 1951 to 1990s, the first 5-year plan was proposed. At that time, special emphasis was given on India's foreign trade by making few policies. Inward policies were developed at that time to boost India's indigenous market, as at that time the main objective was to promote and to protect India's own domestic industry, as we had a very bitter past experience during the phase of East India Company. At that time, the focus was shifted from export to first of all developing a foundation for good trade in India. India at that time developed a lot of industries, manufacturing sectors, and later on these became the part of India's trade for export purpose. India's biggest trade partner as of now is United States, with 87 billion US dollar bilateral trade. The second number is of China with approx 80% US 80 billion US dollars bilateral trade. Import and export trade is also used as a tool for diplomacy by India, as this helps us to better strengthen and make deeper bonds and relations with friendly countries. Now, I would like to talk about some recent policies that are aimed towards India's foreign trade. Make in India is one of such policy, which focuses on development of manufacturing sector, indigenous market development. This attracts foreign direct investment to India to set up companies, manufacturing sectors and industries, and further develop goods and services here and then export it to other countries. India also puts excise duty on imports which come to our country. As of now, India is trying to decrease its dependency from China and shift it to other countries, and most of all, try to make sure that most of our needs are met by the indigenous market and local producers. So, in my opinion, India's foreign trade is a very important part, and the policies regarding it should be made with a very good farsightedness, as the foreign exchange helps us to strengthen the value of Indian rupees, and the more goods and services our country will export, the more strengthened Indian rupee will be and will further help us to establish a very good position in global market. Thank you.